chilling out you, me. This is the Caribbean Sea. Not quite Atlantic Ocean, but the water's probably the same type. Yeah, that's the Caribbean Sea. First proper time of being within, I don't know, a metre from it. Can't actually touch it, it's down deep, but Caribbean Sea. Port of Spain. This is class, like, this is real class. Very cultured city. Again, it's nice to be the only one person to be not intimidated. It's quite remarkable. So it's quite cool here. These boats, now some of them just go within Trinidad and Tobago. On the other side of that, you can get a boat to Tobago for $100 Trinidad dollars. So I don't have time to do that. Very expensive. In and out of TNC, POS, Port of Spain, Trinidad and Tobago. Loving it by the waterfront, Caribbean Sea.